Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make banana cake. ជំរាបសួរអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំបង្ហាញធ្វើអន្សមចេក The ingredients you will need is sticky rice, shredded coconut, banana leaf, black bean, black eyed peas bean, coconut milk, salt, and of course banana. យើងគ្រឿងយើងត្រូវការអង្ករត្នោតស្លឹកចេកអំបិលសណ្តែកចេកហើយនឹងដូងហើយនឹងខ្ទិះដូង So first you have to soak the sticky rice. I use 3 cups of sticky rice. I soak it about 3 hours. ខ្ញុំត្រាំអង្ករត្នោត3កែវហើយខ្ញុំត្រាំប្រហែល3ម៉ោង Then after that you rinse out the sticky rice and រួចទៅយើងនឹងលាងអង្ករវាចេញ and keep it let it dry. Now I soaked my shredded coconut in water. ឥឡូវខ្ញុំត្រាំដូងខ្ញុំដើម្បីឲ្យវារីកខ្លះ So now you're gonna put in the black bean. ឥឡូវនេះយើងកឹសសណ្តែកបានយើងចាក់ចូលទៅនឹងកញ្ច្រែង and also the black eyed peas bean ហើយនឹងសណ្តែក black eyed peas. Now you're going to rinse it with water until you get all the scum out. Make sure until the water is very clear. លើយើងលាងសណ្តែកវាឲ្យជ្រះចេញអស់ទៅទឹកវាថ្លា And now you're going to cut the banana. So cut it out and peel the skin out. ឥឡូវយើងកាត់ចេកយើងបកសបកវាចេញទៅ Once you peel the skin out, you cut it into slice it into half. យើងបកសបកចេញហើយយើងកាត់វាទៅជាពីរ And now the banana is all done and you put it aside. ឥឡូវចេកយើងកាត់រួចហើយយើងដាក់វាមួយឡែកសិនទៅ And now turn on medium heat and put in the coconut milk. ឥឡូវបើក heat medium ទៅ and then យើងដាក់ខ្ទិះដូងចូល And now you're going to stir until all the coconut dissolve together. យើងកូរវាទៅឲ្យដូងនឹងវាលលាយឲ្យអស់ដុំទៅឲ្យវាលលាយចូលគ្នា And then you're going to put in some salt. Just about a teaspoon of salt. ឥឡូវយើងដាក់អំបិលប្រហែលមួយស្លាបព្រាកាហ្វេ and then កូរវាទៅឲ្យចូលជាតិគ្នា and keep stirring it until they all mix in together. Okay, so after it dissolve in together, you're going to put in the shredded coconut. And ទឹកវាចូលជាតិគ្នាហើយវាលលាយអស់ហើយ Now យើងដាក់កាកដូងចូល And then just mix it together. យើងកូរវាឲ្យវាចូលជាតិគ្នាទៅ ចេះតែកូរវាទៅឲ្យវាចូលជាតិទៅ And now you put in the sticky rice that's already rinsed and dry. ឥឡូវយើងដាក់អង្ករត្នោតចូលដែលបានស្រស់ទឹកហើយ So keep mixing it, stirring it until it's all stick together. แล้วយើងចេះតែកូរវាទៅដើម្បីឲ្យវាជាប់គ្នា Now you're going to put in some sugar. I put about 6 tablespoons of sugar. I don't like too sweet. ខ្ញុំដាក់ស្ករចូលប្រហែល6ស្លាបព្រាពេកបាយអានឹងស៊ីសងអ្នកចូលចិត្តផ្អែមខ្ញុំអត់ចូលចិត្តផ្អែមទេ You adjust to your taste. I don't like it too sweet. Then now stir it again, mixing it. แล้วយើងកូរវាទៅឲ្យវាចូលជាតិគ្នាទៅ You keep stirring it, cook it until the coconut become no more water យើងកូរវាទៅឲ្យវានេះទៅកុំឲ្យមានទឹកឲ្យវាស្ងួតចូលគ្នា and then you're going to add in the bean ឥឡូវនេះយើងដាក់សណ្តែកចូល so now once you add in the bean you make sure that you stir in carefully so you don't break the bean ពេលណាយើងដាក់សណ្តែកចូលហើយយើងកូរវាថ្នមៗកុំឲ្យវាបែកសណ្តែកចូល so យើងច្បល់វាចូលជាមួយគ្នាជាងទៅមានវែក2វាជួយ you two later so that it help with the mixing so you won't break the bean so keep stirring it until it's all mixed together and you're pretty much done ឥឡូវយើងកូរវាឲ្យវាចូលជាគ្នាទៅវាអស់នេះហើយវាឆ្អិនហើយ and then យើងរួចហើយយើងអាចវេចនំបានហើយ and now it's done you let it cool down before you wrap banana leaf ឥឡូវរួចហើយយើងទុកឲ្យវាត្រជាក់ now you're going to take the banana leaf and you're going to wash it up យកស្លឹកចេកចេញមក and យើង going to លាងទឹកវាឲ្យស្អាត and now you're going to wash the banana leaf យើងយកស្លឹកចេកចេញមកលាងទឹកវាឲ្យស្អាត after you wash it thoroughly and now you're going to dry it out use a paper towel or towel to dry it out and then យើងជូតយកกระดาษជូតវាឲ្យស្ងួត So now I put it on the gas stove and so that the banana leaf can be softer, it's easier to pat. So now ឥឡូវនេះខ្ញុំនឹងដាក់ស្លឹកចេកនៅទៅលើចានដើម្បីឲ្យវាស្រួលវេចដើម្បីទៅស្លឹកចេកវាទន់បើមិនចឹងវេចទៅវាបែកវាបែកស្លឹកចេកទៅធ្វើសមអាកាស So now it's all finished roasting in the gas. It's time ready to fold the cake. So ឥឡូវយើងស្លឹកចេកយើងរោលរួចហើយឥឡូវ time ឥឡូវយើងអាចវេចនំបានហើយ So now I'm going to show you how to fold the cake together. I don't know, fold or pack or however you like. ឥឡូវនេះយើងនឹងវេចនំហើយ So first you put the banana leaf down and scoop out the rice mixture. Put on it in the middle of it. Then you're gonna ឥឡូវយើងយកកដែលយើងធ្វើរួចហើយនឹងដែលយើងមកដាក់លើស្លឹកចេកមក and now you put in the banana ឥឡូវយើងដាក់ចេកចូលមក then you just pick the banana leaf up and kind of fold it in together ឥឡូវយើងដាក់ចេកចូលហើយ and then យើង move វាចូលទៅ and then after that you kind of fold it both end on each side ហើយរួចទៅយើងដូចតែយើងវេចវាមកខ្ញុំអត់សូវចេះវេចនំទេ so ដល់ពេលណានេះទៅរួចហើយ and then you can continue on to the next one so once you finish one then you start a new one. Now I'm starting the second one to show you guys how to do it. I'm not very good at doing this, but hey, I try my best. ខ្ញុំអត់សូវចេះវេចនំទេប៉ុន្តែខ្ញុំនឹងខំប្រឹងអស់សមត្ថភាពខ្ញុំ So here we go again. Now fold the rice over the banana and then roll it over and then turn it on each side យើងដាក់ចេកចូលទៅហើយយើងលើកចូលលើគ្នាមកតែយើងបត់ចុងមកខាងម្ដងមួយមករួចហើយ There you go. And here I show you another one. Maybe a bit easier to see. ឥឡូវខ្ញុំបង្ហាញអ្នកម្ដងទៀត So this one a little bit easier for you guys to see. So roll it over, then put the other side down and use the ladle so that it tight down to the bottom, and then flip it over and do the same thing on the other side, and voila. លើយើងវិចទៅធ្វើម្ដងមួយទៅរួចហើយ So right now you put it into the steamer basket and you're going to steam it for about 1 hour. ឥឡូវនេះយើងដាក់នំសមចូលទៅក្នុងប្រដាប់ចំហុយ and then ខ្ញុំចំហុយវាប្រហែល1ម៉ោងបានរួច Before you steam, make sure you boil the water first. Let the water boil. And មុននឹងយើងចំហុយយើងឲ្យទឹកឲ្យពុះសិនចាំយើងដាក់នំចូលចំហុយ So now the steamer is with boiling hot water. Now we're going to put the banana cakes in to steam. ឥឡូវនេះទឹកពុះហើយយើងនឹងដាក់អន្សមចូលដើម្បីចំហុយយើងចំហុយវាប្រហែល1ម៉ោងទៅរួចហើយ So it's all done. You put it in and cover it up and let it steam for 1 hour. ឥឡូវរួចហើយយើងដាក់ចំហុយវាទៅចំហុយប្រហែល1ម៉ោងទៅរួចហើយ So now I'm just checking to see what's it, look like. ឥឡូវនេះខ្ញុំបើកវាមើលតើវាយ៉ាងម៉េចយ៉ាងម៉ាហើយមើលទៅដូចសំណុំដែរតើបងប្អូន So it looks good right now. I think it's ready to be eaten. So after 1 hour it's done. Now I take out one of the cake. ឥឡូវខ្ញុំចំហុយ1ម៉ោងរួចហើយឥឡូវខ្ញុំយកសមមួយយកមកញ៉ាំ So now I'm going to open up the cake and see what's it look like. And I'm going to taste it. ឥឡូវខ្ញុំបើកសមមើលហើយនឹងខ្ញុំនឹងសាកមើលតើឆ្ងាញ់ឬក៏អត់ It looks pretty good. មើលទៅដូចសំណុំដែរតើបងប្អូន សូមអរគុណច្រើនដែលបងប្អូនបានមើលវីដេអូខ្ញុំ Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys try this recipe. It tastes pretty good. ខ្ញុំនឹងជឿថាបងប្អូននឹងសាកធ្វើទៅខ្ញុំថាឆ្ងាញ់គួរសមសូមអរគុណច្រើនជួយមើលវីដេអូខ្ញុំ Bye bye. See you next time.